Everybody ready? So let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Red Alliance quickly getting to that goal, trying to get those in. Root -1 going away on that goal, filling up that ramp. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance doing the same. 3-1-5-4-1. Stopping in the middle, looking like they maybe want to pick up some of those pre-placed artifacts. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance is firing away at that ramp still, widening that gap.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
We're seeing a pretty solid amount of artifacts on both ramps. Pretty even, yet Red Alliance is in the lead by about 30 points.
1.
Plenty of artifacts here for these close soaring teams to pick up in this. And now we're seeing a lot of artifacts over by that blue goal that the teams might want to take advantage of. But Root -1 is just still on that goal. Back and forth, scoring, opening that gate, making sure they don't overload that ramp at all. FE203 searching around the field just to pick up some loose artifacts wherever they can find them. Blue Alliance trying to take advantage of those loose artifacts over by the blue goal and that human player. We're seeing a lot of loose artifacts over by the red gate, likely due to Root -1 scoring on that gate, unable to keep up with how. On the other side, that blue ramp is filling up. We might need to see that open soon. And now red is right there to take advantage of that, of blue opening that gate up. On the other side, we're seeing a lot of artifacts in that loading gate by the blue ramp, or red ramp. Red Alliance seem to be ignoring that loading zone, taking really only from the gate, keeping the artifacts away from that loading zone, and thus away from the Blue Alliance. This is a high-scoring match. We're seeing the Red Alliance take advantage, going across over to the blue ramp. FE203 stealing some of those artifacts from the blue side. Now in endgame, we're going to keep scoring. Blue ramp overflowing, not opening it up. Don't want to give Red Alliance any more points than they already have. Now we're going to see some parks, maybe with some mosaics in these ramps for some added points.
Scores are winning the Red Alliance with 374 points.